Hey all, Kyle here, AA0Z. I need your help. I maintain a list of YouTube channels that I have been maintaining since April of 2020. You can take a look here. I have about, I believe, 362 YouTube channels that I have listed here. Yes, 362 as of September 10th, 2023. Link in the description below for this spreadsheet. But I need help. I need two things. The first thing is if there is a channel that you know about that you're subscribed to, or you have a channel and it's not on this list, please put it in the description below, or I'm sorry, the comments below, and I will add it to this list. I've been doing a pretty good job on, if I see a YouTube channel that I'm not subscribed to on my AA0Z account, I go ahead and subscribe and then put the URL here in the list. And you can see that back in 2020, everyone had these long URLs, and I need some help cleaning up some of this stuff. But anyway, the second request is I need help putting this into a format that is a little bit better maintainable. And then also, I would like to get to a point where people can request to be put on this spreadsheet or this database. It's on the web, and it's sortable by the last upload, maybe how many YouTube subscribers you have subscribed to your channel. Maybe the another parameter you can search on is the last time you posted a video. Robbie, W1RPC, has done a really good job. He's got a link here which goes to his website, and he put together similar things that I wanted. I wanted a sort. So you can see that the last post was WD9EWK, Patrick, Lawn TV. So you can see that we've got some sorting, but the problem with Robbie's master spreadsheet, and that's a problem. You know, I add stuff all the time, and so this list is not up to date. I need some help in programming and getting stats from YouTube into this list, and then also putting it out on the web. And that's where you guys come in. I like to probe the community. I said probe. I'd like some ideas on how I could better maintain this list and be able for you guys to upload and submit changes to this list. But the link is in the description below. Go ahead and take a look at the spreadsheet. See if there's any updates that need to be done. Put them in the comments below. And if you know of someone, or if you have some programming skills and know how I can better maintain this list and put some stats to it, like subscription, last video update, bunch of other stuff, please contact me, and maybe we can make this list 100 times better than what it is today. So thanks, guys. 73.